And so we love them. I like to consider myself a down homie. And we're going to bring up our guest quartet for you this evening. Everybody down.
Christmas time is here, happiness and cheer, fun for all that children call their favorite time of year. Snowflakes in the air, carols everywhere, golden times and ancient rhymes of love and dreams to share. Sleigh bells in the air, beauty everywhere, Yuletide by the fireside, and joyful memories there. Christmas time is here, we'll be drawing near. Oh, that we could always see such spirit through the year. Oh, that we could always see such spirit through the year.
I think that sounds pretty good. There's a lot of wonderful sounds this time of season. We've got the carolers, we've got the oohs and the ahs when you see beautiful Christmas displays.
Oh yeah, and the children when they laugh or when they cry, waiting to see Santa.
Our quartet loves the sound any time of year of when we lock and ring our favorite barbershop chords.
'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care and the hope that St. Nicholas soon would be there. He's bringing lots of toys for girls and boys, and wait until you see that Merry Christmas tree. So on Dasher, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Donner, and Blitzen, to the top of the roof, to the top of the wall, he's coming to wish Merry Christmas to all. Bum 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 bum, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. You'll go down in history. In history.
I love the holiday season, but I do not like the winter weather.
Are you kidding me? I heard the Panhandle's already got the 8 inches of snow, and you're lucky I'm not already there.
I agree. I mean, this kind of weather and Christmas, it just goes together. Like cocoa and marshmallows.
Mistletoe and kisses.
My frozen windshield and my Amazon electric scraper.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. Far away is the bluebird, but here to stay is the new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he's Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? He'll say, no, man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on, we'll conspire as you dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we've made, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he's a circus clown. We'll have lots of fun with Mr. Snowman until the other kitties knock him down. Later on, we'll conspire here as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we've made, walking in a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter wonderland.
In the words of Charles Dickens, I will honor Christmas in my heart and try to keep it all the year long.
I'm pretty sure he wasn't talking about all the chaos that happens around this time of year, though.
Well, however you celebrate this holiday season, we hope that you find peace and joy and a little sparkle in your life thanks to the music that's being shared today.
Our biggest hope is that you will share the spirit of giving with everyone. Your friends, your family, even a stranger passing by.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a tonight. Oh, Mary, rock, rock, rock your little baby, rock your baby in the heavenly light.